Hey, what's up? I'm Dominique, and guess what? Halloween is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate the holiday than with a spooky makeup look? So today, we are going to be creating a clown look, but not just any clown look, a rainbow clown look. Nothing screams Halloween than with a fun makeup look, right? So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. And let's just have some fun. So let's get started. I literally look like I've awoken from the dead. Very on brand for today. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with the eyes. As always, duh. And I'm just gonna start off by priming my eyelids with my Haus Labs concealer. Concealer is always a great option to prime your eyelids with. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a combination of a few palettes, but they're all going to be super bright and colorful palettes, that's for sure. This one is one of my favorites, and this is the Beauty Bay Bright Mattes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this today in combination with this palette from Glamlite. This is the mini paint palette, I believe. It looks like it might be called the Paint Palette Pro. Whatever the name is, I'll have it linked for you down in the description in case you want to check it out. But isn't it just the cutest little palette? It really is. You can see these palettes of mine are not the prettiest looking things. I have used them a lot, and they are half destroyed, half broken, but that's okay because I love them anyway. So the eyeshadow look that I'm going for is a rainbow cut crease. I've decided that half my face is gonna be blue-green, and then the other half my face is gonna be red-orange. So that way we're gonna have two different sides of the clown look. I'm starting off this eye look by creating a black wing in my crease, and I built up the pigment so it's very pigmented and very black, and you can't see anything else underneath. Next, I'm layering a super dark blue along the edges of that black wing shape, and I'm building it up so it's also super pigmented. This might seem a little bit extra, but I'm telling you, the results are gorgeous. And I'm only taking the blue to about halfway of that wing shape, because now with the dark green, I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm building it up along the edges of that black wing, and all I'm doing is just layering the eyeshadows, and then once I get it exactly how I want it to look, then I blend it all out. I layer, then blend. So I'm getting a little bit carried away, as always, but the good thing about Halloween makeup is that it's messy and you can just have fun. It does not have to be perfect. So I just keep layering these colors between blue and green, and now I'm just gonna blend everything out with a white eyeshadow. So now I'm taking my flat eyeshadow brush and I just wrap this makeup wipe around it, and I'm just gonna start cutting the crease. Yes, this is a very interesting method, but it seriously helps to make your cut crease line so much sharper. Do you see what I mean? It's really cleaning up the messy eyeshadow and making it look so nice and sharp. And now I'm just cutting the crease in the exact same wing shape that we created with that black initially. And I'm just using some concealer to do this. And now I'm just covering the cut crease with some white eyeshadow. We have to start off with a really nice eyeshadow look, because then that way we can add the clown. I'm gonna finish off my eyes and I'll be right back. That took me an embarrassing amount of time to do that. But now we have cool side and warm side, and it's almost time to add the fun clown pieces. Next, it's time for foundation. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Marshmellow primer, and I'm just gonna add a little to my face to prime for the base. And even clown Halloween makeup requires a primer. This clown look has got to stay on all night. I also love this primer so much. Does a really great job of filling in pores and just smoothing out your skin. I love this stuff. Seriously, it's so good. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. Next, I'm gonna do my foundation, and I'm using the Liss Beauty foundation to do this. I always apply my foundation by squirting one pump on the back of my hand and then dipping my brush right in and then applying it to my face. This way, you're not applying too much foundation, and even as a clown, we cannot look cakey. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna be for Halloween this year yet, and I know that's quite shocking considering Halloween is so close, but I'm sure I'm gonna figure it out. Last year, I dressed up as The Weeknd from his After Hours iconic red outfit, and even though it wasn't scary, I absolutely loved that Halloween look. So maybe I'll do something similar to that this year, not The Weeknd, but something completely different, but maybe like an artist or a movie or TV character. I don't know yet though. There's just so many options. It's hard to pick one. If you're being something super cool for Halloween this year, please let me know what you're being down in the comments. I would love to know. And if you have any ideas on what I should be, let me know in the comments as well. I'm all ears. But whatever I am this year, I'm sure you'll see it on my Instagram, so if you want to go follow me over there and see what I am for Halloween this year, at Looks by Dominique, that would be pretty cool. And then we can be besties even more. And now, of course, I'm going in with my beauty sponge and I'm just tapping my foundation into my skin. You know I do this every single time I do my foundation. This is about to be the most glam clown that you've ever seen in your life. Because one thing about me, if I do a Halloween look, it's gonna be a glam Halloween look. You know, like a glam clown or a glam skull. And to me, yes, there's there's such thing as a scary glam. You know, everything can be glam. Next, I'm just gonna apply some concealer, and this is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. And yes, glam clowns need concealer. Halloween is so much fun, and I'm so excited that it's actually Halloween time this year. I love to see everyone's costumes because some people can really be creative. And for me personally, I love dressing up and serving a good look. And I love Halloween because that's honestly the only other time where everybody collectively dresses up and tries to serve a look. So obviously, I'm obsessed with that, especially if you go all out. Ooh, yes. Now I'm just gonna set my entire face with the KimChi translucent setting powder. This powder has been hyped up all over TikTok, okay? But I've honestly been using this powder for years, and it's such a good powder. It blurs all the pores and it makes your skin look so smooth. Now I'm just basically doing my regular base routine, but it's because I have to create a nice base, and then I can go ahead and add the clown on top. And since we are creating a clown look today, we don't want to bronze too much because clowns are typically not bronzy. But like I said, this is a glam clown. We are going the glam route. If you're enjoying today's video so far, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because it really helps support me and the channel a lot, and then that way we can become besties. Love that for us. It's time for blush, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics blush in the shade Willa. I'm pretty sure clowns have rosy cheeks, but all I know, this one is definitely going to be having some rosy cheeks. And instead of bringing my blush up like I do to my temples, I'm really gonna focus it on the apples of my cheeks, kind of in this area right here, and that's where I want most of the pigment. And I'm kind of gonna go really heavy with this because duh, I'm trying to look like a clown. I'm actually trying to look like a clown this time. Most of the times I just look like a clown for free. Is the clown vibes starting? Yes or no? Are they? I can't tell. And you cannot forget the super rosy clown nose, so I'm just piling a bunch of blush on the end of my nose, and we are getting somewhere. We really are. Now it's actually time to start on the clown part, and I'm super nervous. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black liner from Inglot. This is just a straight pitch black liquid liner, and I'm taking a really thin paintbrush, and I'm gonna start drawing out the little clown triangles. Yikes, oh my, I'm nervous. The ones on the top come straight up from the eyeshadow, so wish me luck. Okay, not bad. I just held my breath the entire time, not gonna lie. And I probably should have filled in my eyebrows before this. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, truly. But you know, this is how it goes, so I'll figure it out. Will it be pretty? Probably not. But we're going as clowns, so that's the point. Alright, one clown triangle complete. Hopefully I can recreate it on the other side, cause yikes. That's all I have to say is just yikes. This is so scary. Seriously, I'm terrified right now. If I mess up, I will probably cry and I will never recover because I've spent so much time on this already. I just want to see what it looks like when it's done. Now I'm going to set all this black gel liner in place with just a black eyeshadow. We do not want this to budge at all, and we need it to stay in place. And then I'm going to slightly bring it out towards the edges just a little bit to help blend out the edges. Now I'm just layering the colors above the triangles that I just created. So whatever color I did on each eye, I'm just blending it up towards a triangle. So since this is a cool side, I added blue, green, and purple for a pop. And then on this triangle, I just did orange, red, and yellow. And the key to making this not look like a hot mess is layering the shadows and then blending them out. And now I'm going to go back in and redarken the triangles with the same gel liner. I'm kind of liking how it looks with my eyebrows not filled, but I need to do something with them, honestly. So I'm gonna fill it in with a pencil. So for the lower lash line, all I'm really gonna do is just do a really thin layer of black smoked on the lower lash lines, and then we're gonna add some more triangles. And now I'm just blending out the lower lash line slightly with a tiny blending brush. Alright, I'm looking crazy, but it's Halloween. Alright, here I go again with the gel liner. I'm gonna make some triangles on the bottom of my eyes, and I'm gonna bring them all the way down to my cheeks. One rough outline, a second rough outline. Now it's time for the fun part and to just fill them in. This looks so scary. Good thing it's Halloween. I keep saying that. That's like the slogan of this video. Good thing it's Halloween. Because truly, good thing. Double lower triangles done. Now it's time to make them rainbow. So now I'm just going to do the exact same thing by layering the colors around the triangles and then blending them all out. This is a very intense process right here. I'm holding my breath every second of it. We got the first rough layer down. Looking a little crazy, but trust the process. More blending and more layering everywhere. This is what I have so far, and I know I look literally insane, but that's okay. It's Halloween. So now I'm gonna do a little clown nose. And I'm just gonna take some black shadow and place it on the tip of my nose like this. And I feel like a little dog here. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the same rainbow colors. So blue, purple, green, red, and orange. I look so crazy. Now with some white face paint, I'm going to add some little details on the nose. Now I'm really feeling like a dog, okay? I look great. Lip time. I'm literally gonna take this same black gel liner and I'm gonna create some black lips. But I'm gonna overdraw them super big because I'm a clown, duh. This just feels so wrong. And the lights are really going out, huh? I am feeling all day. Every time I use these lights, you see the little stripes going across the background. I don't understand. But wow, am I feeling crazy? Now I'm just gonna apply lashes. And listen, Halloween makeup is not my favorite type of makeup ever, but I do love it because obviously it's makeup. Halloween looks are just so trust the process and it stresses me out. And this has taken me forever, like literally forever, okay? Forever. I'm actually going to double layer my eyelashes, so I'm gonna stack them just to be super extra. But this is for the people who actually like to watch my videos, because this one is for the OGs, period. Alright, I added my double stack lashes, and I'm gonna go fix my hair, and I'm gonna be back with the final look. Alright, here it is, the finished rainbow clown look. This was such a trust the process look. I can't, seriously, such a trust the process look. I think it's super cute, and I had so much fun creating this look celebrating the Halloween season, and I'm feeling very spooky, that's for sure. Moral of the story is that Halloween makeup can be messy, fun, spooky, but also glam at the same time. Imagine this opening your door when you trick or treat. What would you do? Halloween makeup can be messy, fun, spooky, and glam at the same time. And that's exactly what this look is. I have to give a big shout out to this Inglot gel liner. I mean, this is a star of the show. Everything black you see on my skin today, I used this, and it literally slayed. This stuff dries down and it does not go anywhere. I feel like this would be the most perfect black liquid lip. Clowns don't make a sound, they don't have a catchphrase, they don't have anything. I don't really know what clowns are. How are they really scary? If you're really scared of clowns, I need to know why. My dog burrowed herself in between all my pillows on my bed while I was making this video, and she stayed there the entire time. Just like this. She is freaking cute. Look at her. She's so cute. This is Lucy. Everyone say hi to Lucy. Hi, Lucy. She literally looks like a little stuffed animal right there. She's so cute. See what I mean? See, she does this. I'm just gonna... And that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful and safe Halloween. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this rainbow clown look. And also, don't forget to let me know what you're going as for Halloween this year. I'm dying to know. Get it? Dying? I will be back next week with a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Oh, P.S. Don't forget to subscribe or else you're gonna find out really what this clown can do.